Folks, this is Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Terastal Gathering by the 2-box Chinese edition, the random number 8. We have our trainers and we have the die asking for 4 times good luck. 1, 2, 3, and there is 4. There is 4. I was gonna be shocked if Dominator got number 5 again. Past couple times Dominator got landed always right in the middle. I mean, it's still technically in the middle. Sending you guys to a table so we can get this printed. Let's see some gas. There we go. Let's move the camera. Oops. Got the good luck. Just want to pop in feeling. I feel like we're gonna go lay down. Now, hope you feel better, Drake. Sorry to hear that. Hopefully it's just a little something that'll pass. Hope you feel better in the morning. Appreciate you stopping by saying hello. Always do. Always do. All right. Here we go. 2 boxes. We got a lot of hits out of these. We got number 0, 5 on Juglius. We got the VMAX Rod on the number 3 for the A-Spec. That one is number 3 on the A-Spec, going out to Nas, getting that bright pink. Freaky thinking the VMAX, or all of the A-Specs rotate out next year. Feel like we just got them. We got 6, 1, and there's Iron Hands on the double rare 0 spot. Oh shoot, come on. Come on. We got 8. I skipped past 1. We had the Frost last year. That was number 4. I got too excited. There's my favorite Pokemon right there. Sylvia on the number 6. Oh! God, I love that card so much, man. I love this card so friggin' much. I love this card so much. Number 3, Nas. Wonderful, wonderful hit right there, man. Crazy hit. Off of the 3 spot, man. That's crazy. Is that your chase? This is one of them. There's another exclusive art of Sylveon EX. Like, there is one exclusive artwork in this set. I got 7, 9, and 3 on the double. Like, you can only get the one I'm talking about in this set for that Sylveon artwork. I'm still seeing this. I mean, this is my chase out of all of Prismatic Evolutions. There we got number 3 on the double rare. My buddy Mega was very, very kind. I do own the English copy of it. It should be enough, but I want to pull that card one day, like myself. I do want to, like, for my own copy, pull that card. I don't think it's gonna happen though. That's why I'm saying I want more prismatic. There you go. There's the actual reason. I got 0 on the Pokeball. We got 2, 1, and there is the Raging Bolt. I always have to remember. We used to call this one Raging Neck, so it makes it easy for me to remember it's Raging Bolt. Number 8 on the double. Pokeball again for the 0 spot, going out to off now. Just seeing this, that Sylveon card always makes me happy. Always makes me happy. There we've got 6, 7, and there is the Teal Mask Ogerpon on the number 1. Going out to off new. There's Slurpuff. Ceruledge on the 7. Then we got Suicune on the 0. And there is Espeon EX on the double for the number 8. There's a Pokeball on the number 5. Sneasel. Bramblin on the 4. 8 on the Relicanth. And there's Iron Valiant. Right, this one's Valiant on the number 1 for the double, going out to Wi-Fi. Always love the textured foils on the Pokeballs. We get number 5 on the Pokeball. Wi-Fi. Come on, there's always a chance we get 2 SIRs out of 1 box. We've seen it happen before. There we go. There we got 5, 2, and there is Walking Wake on the number 5 for the double rare, going out to Wi-Fi. Master Ball of Ting Lu. Master Ball is super hard to hit. Very nice for the number 7. That's Wi-Fi. Zeraora on the 9, Archaludon on 7, and Wellspring. There's Wellspring. That's number 6 on the double. Going out to Dominator. We love Pokeball, or a Master Ball. We love a Master Ball. Wi-Fi with the number 7 on the Ting Lu Master. Box number 2. Let's see another box with 2 hits in it. And there we have Brute Bonnet, number 3, 9, and there's Espeon on the double rare for the number 8. Chien-Pao on the 4, 2, and there is that Iron Valiant once again on the number 1. Double rare for Wi-Fi. There we got Beldum, number 7 on the Pokeball. 2 on the Morpeko, 3, and there is the Garchomp on the number 5 for the double rare. This one's going out to Wi-Fi on the double. Beldum on the Pokeball. Number 7 Pokeball. Decent amount of Pokeballs so far. Friggin' Trubbish. There we got number 0. Number 2 on the Palafin. And, oh, I love this one. I love this SAR. Underrated. Such an underrated one. All of those damn Ogerpon masks. They're so underrated in this set. They look great. They look great. That's number 5 Wi-Fi with the Hearthflame Ogerpon on the mask. I feel like when you get all 4 of the Ogre mask or the Ogerpon masks together, they look fantastic, man. I always really liked them. I always really liked the masks. Hearthflame Ogapon on the SAR. Whimsicott on the number 8 on the Pokeball. Nice child on the 05 on the Jubilius. Reverie. Blood Moon or Snow on the 6-1, and there is the Flareon on the number 3. Flareon double rare on the number 3. Reminder again, this Pokeball is going to the number 8. Frostlass. Whimsic. Oh shoot! When's the last time we saw gold? Now we got the Goldango on the double rare number 1 and Walking Wake. I loved the golds from this set. Like, I really did love Prismatic Evolution so much. I know how hard it was to hit, but it's like, it's such a cool set. Number 7, Wi-Fi with the bright gold. You can see it's raised gold. We have the etching and the textured. It's crazy how different the golds kind of evolve over time with Pokemon. There we go. There we go. We'll take a hyper rare. We'll take a 2-hit box. That's what we like to see, man. There we got Abra on the number 2 on the Pokeball, Jolteon on the 7, Fluttermane on the number 9. Or no, this is, it's not Fluttermane, it's, oh, I don't remember, it's an ancient name. Number 9, and there is Terapagos on the number 6 for the double rare. But no, that is Fluttermane, which is Misdreavus. There we go. I remembered it. It's Misdreavus, but its ancient is Fluttermane. I remembered it backwards. Pokeball. Number 2 for the Abra. And this is another wonderful Pokemon from Gen 9. Gen 9's great. Gen 9 is really good. I feel like it doesn't get enough love because it's the newest gen. But just because it's the newest doesn't mean you have to take off points from it. It is a great gen. Hoot hoot! Nidoran on the 2. We got the Okie Dokie on the number 1. Double rare in the Roaring Moon on the 5, and there is the is it the Radar? I don't remember the name of this A-Spec. That's number 6 going out to Dominator Bose with the A-Spec. Got 1 pack left. There we got Applin. We got the Koraidon on the 6. Iron Moth on the 7. Leafeon on the double. Not a bad box, too, with the 2 hits on the left and right there. I always love to see a box with 2 hits. I wish all of them had 2 hits like that. Shoot. We have ourselves a recap, folks. We'll start with the double rares. We have 6, 5, 1, 6, 2, 2, 5, 1, 8, 6, 5, 1, 8, 1, 8, 3, and 0. Pokeballs. We've got 2, 8, 7, 5, and 0. We have our 2 A-Specs, number 6 and number 3. Number 3. Master Ball of Ting Lu on the number 7. Some really sick big hits here. We got the Hearthflame Ogapon on number 5 SAR. The Hyper Rare / Gold. We love gold on the number 7. And there is my favorite card from all of Prismatic Evolutions. Sylveon GX. A lot of the other nations refer to her as Nymphia. That is on the number 3 Nas. Massive grats on that one. Folks, that was Pokemon Scarlet Violet Terastal Gathering by the 2-box. Chinese edition by the random number 8. Thank you all so very much.